Hello everyone. This lecture is all about barcode and character format in SAP. Now generally whenever we receive some product, always on the product we have a barcode format. Whenever the barcode reader is reading that barcode, the corresponding number is entered into the machine. Now in this lecture we will study how to create a barcode and how to assign that barcode in the smart form. So we will go for the creation of the barcode. In SAP we have the transaction code SC73 for creation of the barcode. Now suppose I am going for this system barcode. If I am displaying this, these are the various barcodes which are given by the SAP. Now we can create our own barcode also. In the maximum scenarios we are always using the SAP given barcodes, but we can create our own barcode also. So how to create our own barcode? We will go for the change mode. Now in this current system we don't have any authorization for creation of barcode. Still I will create the barcode with the help of debugging mode. So I will create one barcode. I will skip this authorization. I will click on this create button. New technology I am taking. Suppose my name of the barcode is Z barcode. Z barcode. Support text is barcode. Pressing enter. These are the various symbologies of barcode. Suppose I am taking code 39. These are the alignments of the barcode. You want the normal barcode, or you want the rotational barcode, you want the inverted barcode, or you want the bottom up barcode. Suppose I am creating a normal barcode. These are the various parameters of the barcode. Yes. Now I am executing this. Now I am saving this barcode. Now this is the barcode which is going to create Z barcode. Generally in projects we don't have the authorization for creation of the barcode. So in projects you always have to use the SAP created barcodes. Now in this case we have created our own barcode, that is Z barcode. Now I will use this barcode in the smart style. Suppose now I am going for transaction code smart style. I am displaying my name of the smart style. I will go for the change mode of the smart style. Now in this I have one thing, character format. We have already discussed header format and paragraph format. Now we will discuss this character format. Now I am creating one character format. Suppose CF. Enter. Character format. Now see, whenever I am creating a barcode, the name of the barcode is now appearing in the drop down. Now I have created the barcode Z barcode. Now I am selecting this barcode. I am going for the font tab. I can suppose taking the family as suppose Times. Barcode is of suppose font 8. Suppose bold. Now I am saving this character format. Now in this case I have selected the barcode. So whenever you are creating a barcode, that barcode is automatically appearing in this drop down and you can select that barcode. Generally we are always using the SAP given barcodes, where whenever you want to select a barcode, select the barcode from the drop down, create one character format and select the drop down from the barcode from the drop down. Now I will go for my smartphone. I have created the barcode, I have created a character format for the barcode. Now I will use this in our smart forms. So I will go for smart form transaction code. I will go for change mode. Now I am going for second window. In the second window, the value of sales document number is appearing here. So I will convert this value into barcode format. So I will go for editor. I will go for change editor, and here I will convert this value into barcode format. So what is my name of the character format is CF, and here I will provide CF. So this is the way by which you can give the character format. You have to provide the name of the character format in tags and you have to enclose that. I will back this. Yes. Now I will pass the name of the smart style here. This is my name of the smart style. I will check for the syntax. Now I am activating this smart form. So firstly, you can use the SAP barcode or you can create your own barcode. In smart style transaction code, you have to create a character format for that barcode, and in the smart form, you have to go for specific text, and in the text you can assign that specific character format with the help of tags. Now if I am executing this, I am providing the input, suppose 4970. If I am executing this, output device is this one. If I am taking the print preview, okay, this is not converted. I am again checking. This is my name of the style, general attributes, I am going for editor again. Go to change editor. I am again passing the character format CF. I am again passing CF. Back, checking for the syntax and activating this. In the previous case, I have passed the smart style name later. Firstly, you have to pass the smart style name, then you have to pass the character format. I am executing this, providing the input 4970, executing this, output device, print preview. See, now the barcode is printing in the form of character. Now the sales order number is printing in the form of barcode. Now whenever machine read this barcode, the corresponding number 4970 will enter into the system. So this is the process by which you can convert any number into a barcode format. Generally we are always using the SAP given barcodes. In rare scenarios we are creating our own barcodes. Rest we will continue in the next lecture. Thank you.